wake up one morning and notice a few extra strands on your pillowcase. Then you see them in the sink. It starts as a quiet concern, but quickly turns into a daily obsession with your hairline. This is exactly where the Simply Revival DHT blocker enters the picture. It targets the guys who are not quite ready to commit to a lifetime of pharmaceutical drugs, but still want to fight back against thinning. The whole premise is built around stopping a hormone called DHT. This is the biological byproduct that most experts point to when men start losing their hair. The supplement itself is essentially a cocktail of natural ingredients that have been floating around the wellness world for years. You have your saw palmetto, some biotin, a bit of zinc, and nettle root. It is a very familiar lineup. If you have ever looked at any other hair supplement, you have seen this exact list before. There is nothing revolutionary happening inside the bottle. It is just a standard blend of vitamins and botanical extracts. When you dig into the actual user experiences, the results are predictably subtle. Some people report that their hair feels a bit more resilient. They might notice that they are losing fewer strands when they wash their hair. This kind of progress is slow. It is the type of thing you only notice if you are taking photos every single month. It is not a dramatic transformation. You are not going to wake up with a thick mane of hair after 2 weeks. On the other side of the fence, you have the guys who see absolutely no difference. Their hairline continues to recede at the same pace. This is the reality of natural supplements. They are simply not as potent as the clinically proven treatments like the ones you find at a pharmacy. Those medical options are designed to aggressively block hair loss, whereas a natural supplement is more like a gentle suggestion to your body. It is not a scam in the sense that it contains fake ingredients, but it definitely has its limits. If your hair loss is advanced, this probably won't be the magic bullet you are looking for. It is best suited for someone who is just starting to notice a little bit of thinning. It is a low-risk way to try and stabilize things before moving on to more intense options. People choose this because they want to avoid side effects, or they just prefer a more holistic approach to their health. It is about trying to get lucky with a milder solution first. You have to be patient and keep your expectations grounded in reality. If you go in expecting a total restoration of your youth, you are going to be let down. But if you just want to provide your scalp with some extra nutrients and hope for the best, it might have a place in your routine. It is a slow burn and a modest helper, nothing more and nothing less. Just remember that in the world of hair restoration, there are no overnight successes, especially when you're relying on plants and vitamins. Dealing with hair loss is a marathon, and these pills are just one small tool that some people use to try and stay in the race without resorting to the heavy hitters right away. It is for the person who wants to exhaust every natural possibility before moving on to more serious measures. Just make sure you are not ignoring the clock while you wait for herbs to do the work of medicine. Keep your eyes open and stay realistic about what a bottle of vitamins can actually do for a receding hairline.